Hello and welcome. In this tutorial for Prompt Interface, the revolutionary tool that will transform your business productivity. PromptInterface.ai is a unique prompt engineering solution, enabling you to create personalized AI assistants for your colleagues using natural language processing GPT-4 prompts, an invaluable resource for all industries. Today's video will demonstrate one of its versatile applications, creating compelling real estate listings using artificial intelligence quickly and effortlessly. After setting up your account, you'll be redirected to the prompts page. Here, you start the process of creating your first prompt by typing a title and clicking on Add. Next, you'll move onto the form creation page. Here, you can build the form that users of your assistants or prompts will fill out. In this case, we're going to create 4 sections: title, rooms, advantages, and contact. Once you've filled out the required details into the form, it's time to build your prompt. This is where your prompt engineering skills come into action. You can construct your prompt using the components from the form you previously created, like title, rooms, advantages, and contact, to get even more accurate responses. Providing example prompts and expected answers is advisable. More examples usually mean more precise the assistant's answers. Once your assistant is ready, it's time to put it to the test. By clicking on the play button, you can use the assistant in the same way your users would. In this case, we'll be helping to list a Parisian apartment. And voila! Just by inputting some details into the form, the assistant creates an attractive property listing. You obviously can share your assistants with your users, colleagues, or clients easily. To do this, click on the Team button and then Invite. When your users receive and click on your invitation link, they will be able to register and gain access to the assistants that you've created. They'll find a list of the prompts or assistants you have built, ready for them to use. Begin your journey with PromptInterface.ai today. Register now and start creating your first intelligent assistant for your users.